Hi, I'm Amir Hijazi, back again with Markertek to talk about Gefen. And I am very excited to be here. We love our friends at Markertek. Well, let's get right into it. First product we're going to introduce is our multi-viewer. This product is pretty special, and let's dive right into why. Well, we have our record button here. You might wonder what that is. That's actually there to record the RTSP, real-time streaming protocol. There's a built-in streamer in here. And when you hit the record button, you're able to record the stream. Then we have our series of lights here. And then we have our series of inputs and output buttons over here. Now let's look at the back. Over here in the back, we have quite a few ports here. We're going to begin with the HDMI ports. We have our inputs over here. This is a 4x2 multi-viewer. We have our inputs here, and we have our output A here and our output B over here. And of course, we have our RJ45 ports. One is for, obviously, to stream, and one is to control the product. And we have our Phoenix connector for RS-232, power button, and our USB port to record the streaming data onto a local flash drive. That's our multi-viewer. Fantastic product. We're going to put this aside. Next, introducing, which I'm very excited about, is our Gen 3 AV over IP. Very excited for this product. Gefen was one of the pioneers to introduce AV over IP years ago to the market. So what's special about this Gen 3 AV over IP? Well, this new product line is built from the ground up. This product not only supports HDMI for your HDMI video distribution needs, but it also incorporates USB Type-C. That's right, USB Type-C for data and video. And another trick it has up its sleeve is it supports RTSP, which stands for Real-Time Streaming Protocol. So you can take advantage of that with the Gen 3 AV over IP from Gefen. We're going to go right into the buttons in the front. On the transmitter, we have our LED lights. We have our line input. We have our IR input and IR output. And we have your channel selector. Now let's go ahead and take a look on the back. But before I miss it, we also have our little LED screen here to take a look at both your channel and to look at various other information such as your IP address right here locally on the front of the unit. On the back of the transmitter, we have our power port. We have our two RJ45 Ethernet ports. We have our optical output, our RS-232 port. We have our USB Type-C port right there. And we have our HDMI in and HDMI out. Once again, this is the Gen 3 AV over IP transmitter. Next is the Gen 3 AV over IP receiver from Gefen. So right here in the front, we have our LED light, we have our line output, we have our IR in and IR output, and we have various buttons over here for various functions. And once again, we have our LED display here, which shows you the IP address and the channel that you're on. On the back of the Gen 3 AV over IP receiver from Gefen, we have the power port, we have the two Ethernet ports, we have our optical input, our RS-232 port, we have our two USB ports here, and of course your HDMI output. One other cool thing that we're going to come out with soon is you're going to have a Gen 3 AV over IP with USB-C only, USB-C output, which that's going to be out very soon as well. Once again, I'm Amir from Gefen here at Great Markertek, our great friends. Thank you for your time and have a beautiful day.